Welcome to science class. In this video, I am going to explain the effects of electric current in the chapter electricity. A bulb can be made to light up by making electricity flow through it. The light of the bulb is one of the effects of electricity. There are several other important effects of electricity. We shall study some of these effects in this video. There are three main effects of electricity as heating effect, magnetic effect and chemical effect. Heating effect. Generation of heat due to electric current is known as the heating effect of electricity. When an electric current passes through a wire, the electrical energy is converted to heat. In heating appliances, the heating element is made up of a material with high melting point. An example of such a material is nichrome. Nichrome is an alloy of nickel, iron and chromium. In this figure, the heating element nichrome is shown here. The heating element is covered with a layer of electrical insulation. The insulated element is in turn placed in a looped tube made of good heat conductor. The heating effect of electric current has many practical applications. The electric bulb, geyser, iron box, immersible water heater and based on this effect. These appliances have heating coils of high resistance. Factors affecting heating effect of current. They are electric current, resistance, time for which current flows. Electric fuse. Electric fuse is a device which is used in household wiring and in many appliances. Electric fuse has a body made of ceramic and 2 points for connecting the fuse wire. The fuse wire melts whenever there is overload of the current in the wire. This breaks the circuit and helps in preventing damage to costly electrical appliances and to the wiring. The electrical devices, a glass fuse is often used. This is a small glass tube in which lies the fuse wire. MCBs, that is miniature circuit breaker. MCBs have been replacing electric fuse from the wiring at the most of the places. The electric fuse has a big practical problem. Whenever the wire fuses, one needs to replace the wire to resume electric supply. Most often than not, these proves to be a cumbersome task. Miniature breakers break the circuit automatically. One just needs to switch it on to resume the electric supply. Many models of MCBs have a built-in mechanism by which the electric supply is automatically resumed. Magnetic effect of electricity. The next effect of electric current is magnetism. In 1819, Hans Christian discovered the electricity that has a magnetic effect. Here, magnetic effect of electric current is shown. Electromagnet. Magnetic effect of electric current has been used in making powerful electromagnets. Electromagnets are also used to remove splinters of steel or iron in hospitals dealing with eye injuries. Electromagnets are used in many appliances, that is, we use in our day-to-day life, namely electric bulb, grains and telephone. In telephones, a changing magnetic effect causes a thin sheet of metal to vibrate. This diaphragm is made up of a metal that can be attracted to magnets. The diaphragm is attached to spring that is fixed to the earpiece. When a current flows through the wires, the soft iron bar becomes an electromagnet. The diaphragm becomes attracted to the electromagnet. As the person on the other end of the line speaks, his voice causes the current in the circuit to change. This causes the diaphragm in the earpiece to vibrate, producing sound. Chemical effects of electricity. Chemical reactions happens when electricity passes through various conducting liquids. This is known as chemical effects of electricity. The process of depositing a layer of any desired metal on another material by means of electricity is called electroplating. It is one of the most common applications of chemical effects of electric current. Electroplating is a very useful process. In this figure, electroplating process is shown here. Here, gold electroplating process is shown in this figure. In this figure, silver electroplating is shown. Here, the object acts as cathode and silver rod acts as an anode. Silver salt solution and hydrogen cyanide solution act as electrolyte. Modern electroplating begins with a creation of metal salt using the plating metal, typically gold or silver. These salts are formed when an acid and a base combine to create a neutralization reaction. Metal salts are formed when positively charged ions of the metal are combined with an acid or with a non-metal. Students, I hope you have understood about effect of electricity. Thank you.